Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Excel formula effect. So this formula is very useful in finding out the annual interest rate if nominal interest rate is given to you and the number of compounding periods per year is also given to you. So let's start. So the syntax of this formula is effect and the variables used are nominal rate, and this is NPR is, we can say, the compounding number of compounding periods in a year. So it returns the effective annual interest rate given the nominal annual interest rate and the number of compounding periods per year are available. It will calculate the annual interest rate with the number of compounding period per year. Same thing. Then this is the formula how it is going to be calculated. So effect is equal to 1 plus nominal rate divided by the number of compounding period whole raised to the power of number of compounding period minus 1. So now let us take an example. Here you can see in this one a loan is there. You have taken a loan of 100 rupees and nominal rate of interest on these loans are different, like 5%, 5%, here 6%, 5.5, 4.9. So different interest rates are there. And compounding frequency is also, interest compounding frequency is also given to you. Like it is annually, it is semi-annually, it is quarterly, and then yearly, like it's monthly, sorry, and yearly and semi-annually, like that. Now we are trying to compare which particular loan is charging the highest interest and which is the lowest. So because prima facie if we look, then 4.95 this one and 4.95 this one seems to be far better than any other. But let us try to see it. So put the formula, go to function tab and insert the formula effect. Only two variables are required. So nominal rate is there, that is 5%. And compounding frequency is 1, and then we can drag it. So now we can see that out of all these, the highest rate of loan will be 6.09 and then the lowest one will be of 4.95, this one 4.95 with annual interest compounding frequency. Similarly, if we compare only these four, here we can see when the compounding is monthly, then the net effective annual interest rate is going to be higher. So this is one of the easiest formula to compare the different loans and or to compare the different investment which is going to fetch the highest return. So I hope this formula is clear to you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.